It's very rare for me to get excited about different color variations of a certain product. So when the purple iPhone came out just a couple of months ago, it wasn't exciting. But something that was extremely exciting was the different colors for the PlayStation 5 console. So the PlayStation 5 console is pretty much still like gold. You can barely get it, it's barely available on the market, and I fortunately have had it for quite a few months now. But one thing that's annoyed me for the duration of the time is the white color of the controller. It just picks up dirt as soon as you pick it up, and that's just something that's annoyed me constantly throughout my usage. Dust accumulation is so easy and it just doesn't make for a good look even after playing for about 5 to 10 minutes. There's also discoloration as well, and that's not something I like on a controller. And look, as much as I care about keeping this thing clean and brand spanking new, I'm not gonna wear gloves while playing my games, nor am I gonna clean this every time I play a certain game. So enter the official different colors of the DualSense 5 controller. Before anyone jumps in and says I should have got the red version is a complete scam. It looks like orange in real life and I wasn't gonna fall for that scam, so I just went for the black version. Very plain, very clean, and I like it a lot. The unboxing experience is extremely Sony-esque, and once you open up the box inside, you see the controller all wrapped up and a paper manual with it that I don't think anyone's going to read. Taking the controller out of the packaging, it does have a slightly nicer look to it. That could just be my bias towards the black color, and to be honest, I just seem to prefer that meaner look over the flatter looking white DualSense 5. The black version's also got that Sony texture for grip, and I couldn't quite capture it with my camera, but here's a photo of it with a macro camera from my phone. So pretty much everything from a functional standpoint is identical to the white DualSense 5, aside from the color. Of course, with this controller just being unboxed, everything looks in sublime and pristine conditions, and I don't know how else to put it. The white controller just looks pale in comparison, especially when you turn on the black controller and get those blue lights. That combination is just hard to beat. I just hope that this black version is better at hiding smudges and also doesn't discolor, because that's one of the primary reasons why I don't like the white one, and if the problem persists, it's gonna be a problem for Sony, and I will be sure to follow up with a future video if something like that happens. But I just wanted this to be a showcase of the black DualSense 5. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos coming very shortly. Thanks for watching. This was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.